The Amigos for Children Foundation is a Hungarian non-profit organization dedicated to support hospitalized children through volunteer work. The foundation's mission is to bring joy, motivation and companionship to children going through medical treatments by playing and learning languages with them. A volunteer known as Amigo is a university student who visits hospitals regularly, create a community so children can remain children and not to feel alone in a stressful, challenging situation. This year, Miss World Hungary had the pleasure of partnering up with Amigos for Children. During the time of the competition, the contestants participated in an online campaign. We managed to raise a significant amount to help the foundation.